Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add more classroom on your Google Classroom. So here the first thing we're going to do is going into the classroom application, and here if you can see that I already have two classes, class C and A class. So here how to add more class on Google Classroom, just go into this plus button here, and there will be two options, join class or create class. So now just click create class and then click continue, and then now you can fulfilling the name of the class. For me, I want to create for the class B, and then for the section I want to have sections 2, and the room, the class B, there was let's say they have 2 rooms, and I want to create for room 1, and the subject I want to say chemistry. Okay, after we're done by creating or fulfilling the information of the class, we can just go into the create button and hold on until the class is ready to access. Now we already have the new classroom here. If you want to find out the code of this class, just go into the settings, and you can see here there is a class code. You can just click it and get the code copied in your phone, and then you can spread it out into your WhatsApp group that containing all of your students there. So that's all for today's tutorial. If you find out this video is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.